Welcome. If you want to stay up to date with the latest conversations happening in the Roblox community forums, enabling notifications for community comments is the way to go. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn on community comments notifications on Roblox Web for PC using the newest update. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Roblox website. Make sure you're signed in to your account so you can access all your personalized settings. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a gear icon. This is your gateway to all account settings. Click on the gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page, where you can manage everything from privacy to notifications. Now, on the left-hand side of the settings page, find and click on Notifications. This section controls how and when Roblox lets you know about important updates, messages, and community activity. Inside the Notifications menu, scroll down until you see Mobile Push Notifications. Even though this section is labeled for mobile, Roblox now lets you manage some web notification preferences here as well, including community-related alerts. Look for the option labeled Community Forum Comments. This is the setting that allows you to receive notifications whenever someone comments on a forum post you're following or participating in. To turn it on, simply toggle the switch next to Community Forum Comments. You should see the switch change color, confirming that notifications are now enabled. And that's it! You've successfully set up notifications for community comments on Roblox Web. Now, whenever there's activity in the forums you care about, you'll get notified right away, so you never miss out on important discussions or replies. If you ever want to adjust your notification preferences in the future, just follow these steps again and toggle the settings as you like. Staying connected with the Roblox community has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Roblox experience.